Now let us see the balancing of this equation by ion electron method in acidic medium. So for this we will copy down the equation. It is the first step. Then in second step we will calculate the oxidation number of each atom and write it at the top. This is our equation. Chromium has the oxidation number. If you calculate, oxygen will have -2 and chromium will have the oxidation number of chromium will be here -14. Chromium will have +3 oxidation number, +6 oxidation number, because 2 chromium will have -2 plus 14, that is 12. So 1 chromium will have +6. Oxidation number of iron is already written here, +2. Chromium is +3 and iron here is +3. So after writing the oxidation numbers, we will identify which species is undergoing oxidation and which one is undergoing reduction. You can see chromium is oxidation number is changing from +6 to +3. So Cr2O7 to -2 Cr +3 is reduction, and Fe plus 2, its oxidation number is increasing. So Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3 is oxidation. We'll identify which substance is undergoing oxidation. It is Fe plus 2. And which substance is undergoing, which species is undergoing reduction, it is Cr2O7 -2. Then we will split the reaction into two halves. One is oxidation half reaction and another one is reduction half reaction. So this one, Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3, it is our oxidation half reaction, and Cr2O7 -2 to Cr plus 3 is our reduction half reaction. So this is the splitting of reaction into two parts, OHR and RHR. After doing this, we follow the next step. We have to equalize the number of atoms of each element except hydrogen and oxygen first. So reaction is taking place in acidic medium, and in OHR there is one iron, and on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. So in OHR you don't have to do anything and you will copy it unchanged, because the number of iron is already one here and one here. But in RHR you can see that chromium are 2 and on right hand side chromium is 1. So we will write 2 Cr plus 3 on the right hand side in RHR. So this is what we have done in the next step, that we have balanced other atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Now next step is to balance hydrogen and oxygen. We will balance in an order, that first we will balance oxygen and then we will balance hydrogen. So in OHR there is no hydrogen, there is no oxygen, so you will copy it as it is. On the other hand, in RHR we don't have any hydrogen but we have oxygen, so 7 oxygen are there, and this side there is no oxygen. So what will we do? We will add 7 water here, and when you add 7 water, then 14 hydrogen are generated. So what will you do in step number 6? You will not make any changes in OHR. You will copy down as it is. Every time you have to copy down OHR in the same way. And RHR, you will now balance hydrogen. There we have 7 oxygen, but hydrogen is 14. And here there is no hydrogen. So we will add 14 H plus on the left hand side. This way, we balanced hydrogen and oxygen in RHR. In OHR, hydrogen and oxygen were not present, so we did not have any problem. We copied down as it is. In RHR, there were 7 oxygen, so we added 7 water to the side which is deficient in oxygen. And in next step, there are 14 hydrogen, so we are adding 14 H plus to the side which is deficient in hydrogen. So after doing this much, we will balance the charges. Now let us look at the OHR. It has +2 charge and here we have +3 charge. There is a difference of 1 and OHR is the loss of electron. So 1 electron will be written on the right hand side. In OHR, we will see the difference. +2 +3, the difference is of 1. So oxidation half reaction is the loss of electrons. So we will lose, Fe+2 will lose 1 electron. So we will write 1 electron here. So charge will be balanced. Now in RHR, calculate the charges. There is -2 charge and there is +1 into 14. That in +14 and -2. +14 here and -2 here will make a +12. And here we have +3 into 2, that is +6. So here we have +12 and here we have +6. So there is a difference of 6 charges. So 6 electrons will be added on RHR because it is reduction half reaction. So electrons are always added. So we will add 6 electrons and this way the charges will become equal. Now finally we have to add both the equations, but before adding we have to equalize the number of electrons. The number of electrons lost here should be equal to the number of electrons gained here. But you can see number of electrons lost is 1 and number of electrons gained is 6. So what will you do? In step number 8, you will multiply OHR by 6. So when you multiply it by 6, your OHR, which was Fe+2, will become 6 Fe+2 changes to 6 Fe+3 plus 6 electrons. And you will not make any changes in RHR and you will copy down as it is. Now you can see number of electrons lost and number of electrons gained are equal. Then in the next step, you will add OHR and RHR. For adding, you will write them one below the other. And you will see that electrons are cancelled out with a straight slanting line. You will cut the electrons and add up all the reactants together, which is Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 6 Fe plus 2 plus 14 hydrogen produces 6 Fe plus 3 plus 2 Cr plus 3 plus 7 water. this is your final balanced equation. You can check whether your answer is correct or not. Total charges on the left hand side and right hand side should be equal, and total number of atoms should be equal. Here we have 2 chromium, 2 chromium, 7 oxygen, 7 oxygen, 6 Fe, 6 Fe, 14H, 14H. So atoms are balanced. Now look at the charges. The total charge is minus 2 plus 12. That is plus 10 plus 14, 24. 6 2s are 12 plus 14 is 26 minus 2, 24. And here 3 6 are 18 plus 6, 24. On both the side the charges are 24 only. So the reaction got completely balanced. It is must to check the reaction after balancing, so that if the number or charge doesn't come out to be same, it means you are mistaking somewhere. So you can check your the whole procedure, that where are you mistaken, where have you done mistake. You can check it out on your own. This was the reaction which we balanced in acidic medium. Now let us take one example which we are going to see in basic medium. Let us see the method of balancing in basic medium. Let us take one equation for basic medium. Let us take this CrOH whole thrice plus iO3 minus produces CrO4 minus 2 plus I minus, and the medium is given to you, basic medium. You can also see that hydroxyl is there, so it has to be basic medium. So let us follow the steps. Copy down the reaction. After copying down the reaction, calculate the oxidation number of each atom and write it at the top. Oxygen has -2, hydrogen has +1. 3 hydroxyl have -3, so chromium will have +3 here. Oxygen will have -2, so iodine will have the oxidation number +5. Here oxygen will have -2, so chromium will have the oxidation number +6. And here you can see iodine has -1. Now after writing the oxidation numbers of every element, we are going to find out which one is undergoing oxidation and which one is undergoing reduction. Chromium's oxidation number is changing from +3 to +6. So this whole CrOH whole thrice is undergoing reduction. Why? Because is undergoing oxidation, because the oxidation number of chromium is increasing and oxidation number of iodine is decreasing from +5 to -1. Therefore, IO3 minus to iodine will be reduction. So in next step, we will split the reaction into two halves, OHR and RHR. Your OHR is CrOH whole thrice to CrO4 minus 2 is your OHR, and RHR is iO3 minus to I minus. After splitting the reaction into OHR and RHR, we start balancing the atoms, and first of all we will balance all other atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen. But you can see that other than oxygen and hydrogen there is a chromium. So chromium is already balanced, so you don't have to balance it. And in IO3, other than oxygen and hydrogen, there is iodine, and iodine is already 1 1, so you don't have to balance. So the balancing of other atoms is skipped here as they are already balanced. So we will come to the balancing of oxygen and hydrogen in basic medium. Now you can see in OHR there are 3 oxygen on the left hand side and 4 oxygen on the right hand side. So the side which has deficiency of oxygen, those many hydroxyl will be added. You can see that here we have 3 oxygen and here 3 oxygen and here we have 4 oxygen. So 1 oxygen is less on the left hand side, so we added 1 hydroxyl on the left hand side. Same is done in RHR. Here we have 3 oxygen and here we have 1 oxygen. So right hand side is deficient of 3 oxygen. So what will we do? We will add 3 hydroxyl on the right hand side. So that O3, O3, O4, 3 plus 1, 4, O4. This way oxygen will be balanced. Now we will balance hydrogen in the next step. Now see here, we now have to balance hydrogen, and for balancing hydrogen is the side which is deficient in hydrogen. To that side you will add those many water, and at the same time at the opposite side you will add those many hydroxyl. So here you can see there are 3 hydrogen plus 1 hydrogen, total 4 hydrogen are here, and here we have no hydrogen. So this side is deficient of 4 hydrogen. So this side we will add 4 water. So your equation will become CrOH whole thrice plus OH minus, changing into CrOH minus 2, CrO4 minus 2. So here we have 4 hydrogen and no hydrogen. So 4 water will be added here. And at the same time the same number of hydroxyl will be added on the opposite side. If you are adding 4 water here, you have to add 4 hydroxyl on the left hand side. On the opposite side at the same time 4 hydroxyl will be added. So this is your OHR, in which hydrogen and oxygen both are balanced, and in RHR we have IO3 minus produces I minus plus 3 hydroxyl. So you can see there are 3 hydrogen and there is no hydrogen. So this side is deficient in 3 hydrogen. So you will add 3 water here and at the same time 3 hydroxyl here. The side which is deficient in hydrogen, those many water will be added, 3 water and the same number of hydroxyl. Now oxidation and reduction half reaction, their atoms have been balanced. Now it is the turn to balance the charge. So let us write in a compact way, because 4 OH and 1 OH can be added together. So I am writing CrOH whole thrice plus 5 OH minus produces, this is our OHR, produces CrO4 minus 2 plus 4 water. Right, now balance the charges, calculate the total charge here. Here it is 0 and here it is minus 1 into 5 minus 5, and here we have minus 2. So minus 5 minus 2. Minus 5 total charge, minus 2 total charge. So we will add, there is a difference of 3 electrons. So 3 electrons will be added on the right hand side, because oxidation is the loss of electron. So 3 electrons will be taken out. And in RHR, IO3 minus plus 3 water are already present, produces I minus, and 3 OH and 3 OH can be written as 6 OH. Now calculate the charges. It is minus 1, and here it is minus 1 and minus 6, minus 7. So minus 1 to minus 7. Total charge minus 1 here, total charge minus 7 here. So you will have to add 6 more electrons. The difference is of 6 electrons. So 6 electrons will be added on the left hand side. This way we will balance both the equations in terms of charges, and in final step we will add them. So for adding, you will write your OHR as CrOH whole thrice plus 5 OH minus CrOH minus 2 plus 4 water plus 3 electrons, and in RHR you will copy it down IO3 minus plus 3 water plus 6 electrons produces I minus plus 6 OH minus. Now you can see number of electrons are not equal. Here we have 3 electrons, here we have 6 electrons. So we will multiply the OHR by 2. OHR will be multiplied by 2. Now we will write the multiplied reaction. Your multiplied reaction, everything will be multiplied by 2. So it will be 2 CrOH whole thrice plus 10 OH minus produces 2 CrO4 minus 2 plus 8 water plus 6 electrons. We have multiplied the whole equation by 2, and in RHR you will copy it as it is. And now you will add them. For adding, 6 electrons cancelled. Now water is also common. Here we have 3 water, here we have 8 water. So what will happen? 3 water will be cancelled out and 5 water will be left here. Here we have 10 hydroxyl on the left hand side, here we have 6 hydroxyl. So we will cancel 6 hydroxyl और बचेंगे 4 hydroxyl. So you will write here 4 hydroxyl. And now you will add up the equations. Your equation will now be 2 CrOH whole thrice plus IO3 minus plus 4 OH is left. And on right hand side, 2 CrO4 minus 2 plus I minus plus 5 water. It is your final balanced equation. You can check your equation is correct or not. Let us first quickly check the number of atoms. 2 chromium, 2 chromium. Oxygen, 3 to the 6 plus 3, 9 plus 4, 13. 4 to the 8 plus 5, 13. Hydrogen, 3 to the 6 plus 4, 10. 5 to the 10. Iodine 1, iodine 1. So everything is balanced in terms of atoms. Now check the total charge. Here the charge is 0. It is minus 1, minus 4. That is minus 5. And here minus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus 1 plus minus 1 will be minus 5. So charges are also balanced. Atoms are also balanced. And this is how we do the balancing in alkaline or in basic medium. So with this the chapter gets over. I will give you some equations. I will post it on the group so that you can practice those equations by ion electron method and by oxidation number method. The chapter gets over. On next turn we will start the chapter hydrogen. Keep practicing the questions and keep asking your queries. Thank you.